Hello and you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like the video. So watch how I cut my okra. I cut this in two different ways. Ones are smaller and ones are bigger, and I cook them in two different parts. Please enjoy. So I have a question here. Why is it that the bottom side of the okra, we have to throw it away? I have seen a time where it was blended. Some say it makes it more slimy or not. I can't even remember, but I've seen it used before. But most times we just cut it and throw it in the bin. We throw it away. Why is it being thrown away? Does anyone know the reason for this? Even some cut the tips of the okra off as well. Some cut the tip, just the apex parts. And also to remind you that those okra in the sink, I've already washed them before. I washed them in the sink, so I allowed the water to drain off before I started. These ones, I'm cutting them a bit more smaller because I'm not going to chop them in the blender. I'm just gonna put it like that. The bigger ones, the one I first cut bigger, I'm gonna put them in the blender and chop them with the Scotch bonnet. So I'm cutting this one this way because the one in here, this one, I'm gonna blend them. This one I'm gonna use this to chop them so they go a bit slimy. Are you the type that usually some people don't use the tip? I don't know why some people don't use it. Is it that it's not slimy enough or what? I don't know. Some people cut this very tiny, but my children like it when it's a bit bigger. So that's why I'm going to chop the other one so it's a bit more slimy. I've actually washed the okra in the sink before I started the video. So I forgot to mention. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm going to I'm going to chop this with this one. Let me take this away. You can see this side a bit bigger. This is the one I'm going to blend in the blender here. I'm going to pour this one when I'm already cooking them. So this is going to go here with one. I'll do not too much. I'm going to do twice.
I'm going to show you the result later. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.
This is the result of the one I chopped in the blender.
So this is it. My family, they don't like fish, crayfish, prawn. They don't eat fish or anything fish. They don't. It's not like they're allergic to it. They just don't like it. So this is theirs. So I put spinach, as you can see, with their meat. I cut some of the okra tiny, and the big ones are the one you can see here with the spinach and the oil. Remember, I blended the rodo, the scotch bonnet, with the okra. So this is what we have. So with mine, I did not put red oil. I usually cook mine without red oil. I use my fish. This is tilapia also, yeah. I have my bonga fish there. I have my crayfish, blended one, my blended prawn, and I'm good to go. This, after having one swallow, others I will just be scooping them in. Maybe another day I just dish them in a bowl and dish them in. I have the head of the fish as well. Some of them are pieces in there. I love it that way because it makes me busy when I'm eating scooping the soup. It makes me busy and drink more water. It takes me time before I finish up, and I'll be full up. So no oil. This one is no oil. Okra, why? Fish no oil one with bongo fish. I love bongo fish. I love fish. Anything fish. I love fish. I love prawn. And this is there with red oil. Of course, I have to minimize the red oil. Yeah, the greens are there, the spinach, the okra, and their meat. Yeah.